Dear students, now we are going to discuss an interesting question in RIFTs. It is based on both reflection and refraction. The question is given: a container is filled with water up to a height of 33.25 centimeter. A concave mirror is placed 15 centimeter above the water level, and the image of an object placed at the bottom is formed 25 centimeter below the water level. Focal length of the mirror is. The arrangement is given in the situation. Here object is at the bottom of the container. So light from the object initially undergoes refraction at the water air interface, then reflection from the mirror. After reflection again refraction at the air water interface, and then final image is formed. We already know in combination of reflection and refraction, image formed by reflection or refraction is considered as the virtual object of reflection or refraction in the next stage. So initially we have to find out the image formed after refraction from water air interface. Consider first refraction. Here object is at the bottom, so it is at a distance 33.25 centimeter from the interface. Light undergoes refraction when light is traveling from water to air. So refraction is at a plane surface. For refraction at a plane surface, we have equation n2 by v minus n1 by u is equal to 0. So first image can be represented as v1. v1 is equal to n2 by n1 into u. n1 is a refractance of first medium and n2 that of the second medium. So here first medium is water and second medium is air. So n2 is 1 and n1 is 1.33. Object distance is 33.25 centimeter. So v1 is 33.25 divided by 1.33, that is 25 centimeter. Object is below the water surface, therefore image is also below the water surface and 25 centimeter from the interface. So here actually what happens is, when traveling from water to air, the refractant ray bends away from the normal and the light rays diverges after refraction. So if we find out the position of the image, the diverging rays must extended in the backward direction. So first image position I1 we calculated, that is 25 centimeter. Okay. Then this diverging rays incident on the mirror. So the image formed after refraction is considered as a object of the mirror. So object distance of mirror is from water surface, mirror is at a height of 15 centimeter. So object distance of mirror is I1 is the object, therefore distance is 15 plus 25, 40 centimeter. Light is traveling in the upward direction. Distance is measured from pole in the downward direction, so u is minus. So for concave mirror, object distance u2 is equal to minus of 15 plus 25 minus 40 centimeter. So image formed by the concave mirror can be calculated from equation, mirror equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v2 plus 1 by u2. F we don't know, v2 also not given, but u2 is calculated minus 40. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by v2 minus 1 by 40. This equation is taken as equation 1. Then after reflection, light undergoes refraction at the air-water interface. Therefore, image formed by mirror is considered as the virtual object of the second refraction. After reflection, the converging rays incident on air-water interface. If these incident light rays extended, we will get the image formed by the mirror. That image distance we represented as V2. Then at this interface, light is traveling from air to water, so denser to rarer medium, refract and dense towards the normal. Therefore, in after second refraction, image is formed below the position I1. Okay, that image position we represented as I2. This final image position from the interface is given in the question. It is 25 centimeter. Therefore, I1 is the object distance of refraction that we can represent it as U3. For second refraction, image distance V3 is equal to N2 by N1 into U3. V3 is given 25. Here light is traveling from air to water. So refractance of second medium is 1.33 and the first medium is 1 into U3. So U3 is equal to 25 by 1.33, that is nearly 18.79 centimeter. Therefore, image position of the mirror from the interface is 18.75. So image distance from mirror is V2 is equal to 15 plus U3. That is equal to 15 plus 18.79. It is measured from pole in the downward direction. Light incident on the mirror is in the upward direction. So image distance is negative. That is minus 33.79. So from equation 1, 1 by f is equal to 1 by V2 minus 1 by 40. V2 is 33.79, negative sign, minus 1 by 40. On calculation, we will get the focal length is nearly minus 18.31 centimeter. Negative sign shows that mirror is concave.